Welcome to FarmForce. How does Ecuador ship 8.6 million tons of bananas worldwide each year? From sun-soaked plantations to precision packing, its tradition meets cutting-edge agriculture technology. Love farming stories? Like, subscribe, and let's peel back the journey. On large plantations, teams of workers carry bunches of bananas, which average 27 kilograms, padded to prevent bruising. Gondola cable cars transport up to 1,000 bunches a day across fields stretching more than 3 kilometers, saving significant labor costs and ensuring that the bananas reach consumers in perfect condition. In western Ecuador, workers cut banana bunches weighing 50 to 80 pounds, each holding 120 to 150 bananas. Instead of walking miles, a cableway system moves over 500 bunches per hour. Cutting transport time by 50% and keeping the fruit fresh for shipping. First, bananas are unloaded into water tanks for a 10-minute wash, clearing dust and latex. Then, inspectors check about 3,000 bananas an hour, rejecting 5%. And from washing to boxing, Banana Corp farms process nearly 20 tons each shift. If you're still here, we've clearly got the same love for farming stories. Stick around, hit subscribe, and join our little corner where agriculture meets heart. Next, the fruit is cut into clusters of 4 to 6, wrapped and vacuum-sealed to stay fresh on long journeys. Workers handle 60-pound bunches, labeling every banana for traceability. Finally, they pack them into 40-pound cartons, part of Ecuador's 8.6 million-ton export, powered by agriculture technology. After harvest, stems weighing over 90 pounds each are chopped in minutes. This quick recycling reduces labor by 25% and turns waste into rich organic mulch. And with high-torque shredders running at 120 horsepower, tons of banana stalks are ground daily. The mulch feeds the soil, returning vital nutrients and keeping farms sustainable year after year. First, Conveyor belts carry freshly peeled bananas straight into processing. This steady flow keeps machines running non-stop, moving over 2 tons per hour with minimal labor. Afterward, banana slices drop into continuous fryers at 180 degrees Celsius, where automated paddles keep chips evenly cooked in just 2 minutes. Oil filters remove impurities to keep every batch golden and crisp. Right after, cooling tunnels lower the temperature before packing. Vacuum sealers then lock 150-gram packs in breathable film, extending shelf life while cutting food waste. A perfect blend of tradition and agriculture technology. Beyond food, banana stems are transformed into strong fibers. IKEA partners with local cooperatives, where families process tons of stalks each month, turning waste into threads for rugs, baskets, and eco-friendly products sold worldwide. Next, the dried fibers are softened, combed, and spun into fine yarn. These threads are woven into durable textiles, creating sustainable fabrics that rival cotton, while reducing water use by nearly 60%. And from Ecuador to the Philippines, abaca fiber is prized for strength, tested at 1,500 newtons per centimeter. Each year, over 1 million eco-products like handbags and ropes are made, proving banana plants power both food and fashion. In Gujarat, nearly 2 tons of banana stems a day are pulped, pressed, and dried into paper sheets. Each sheet replaces about 50 grams of wood pulp, saving trees while producing eco-friendly stationery and packaging for local markets. And in chancery production, banana pulp is mixed with 30% cotton rags to form strong, textured paper. A single workshop can craft over 10,000 sheets monthly, proof that agriculture technology turns farm waste into lasting works of art. Only after seeing the harvest and processing can you fully appreciate the long road to this moment. It all starts with the land. Farmers prepare soil with heavy-duty tillers, breaking up compact layers to allow roots to penetrate deeply. In fertile valleys, rows are laid out with GPS precision, so plants get maximum sunlight and airflow. Each hectare supports about 1,600 banana plants, ready to yield after 9 to 12 months of care. Weed control follows, and it's crucial. Without intervention, weeds can slash yields by 40%. Modern inter-row cultivators slice through unwanted growth while minimizing soil disturbance, keeping beneficial organisms intact. The balance between control and preservation is a signature of sustainable agriculture. From rich Ecuadorian soil to your breakfast table, bananas carry the labor, skill, and hope of thousands. It's where tradition meets innovation in agriculture technology. Pruning is next. Farmers remove old leaves and flower buds, redirecting the plant's energy to fruit. This step alone can boost yield by up to 20% and protect against pests. But nature is unpredictable. Storms like Typhoon Yagi can flatten entire plantations overnight. Still, resilience is in every farmer's DNA. They replant, rebuild, and harvest again. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and join us in our next video as we explore another incredible chapter in modern farm machinery.